Understanding possessive adjectives. Claim what's yours. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today, we'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of possessive adjectives. By the end of this video, you'll know what they are, how to use them, and why they're essential in English. So, let's get started. Possessive adjectives are a type of word in English that shows ownership or possession. They come before the noun they modify and indicate who or what the noun belongs to. The most common possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Here's the exciting part. Let's see how to use these adjectives in real sentences. My book is on the table. The book belongs to me. Your cat is adorable. The cat belongs to you. His car is fast. The car belongs to him. Her dress is beautiful. The dress belongs to her. Its tail is long. The tail belongs to it. Our house is big. The house belongs to us. Their team won the game. The team belongs to them. Remember, the noun that the possessive adjective modifies can be a thing, person, or idea. Now that we've seen how to use possessive adjectives, let's tackle some common mistakes. Remember, these adjectives never change form depending on the gender or number of the noun they modify. It's always my book and my books, never mine book or mine books. And please don't mix up its and its. Its is a contraction of it is or it has, while its is a possessive adjective. So, it's raining, but its leaves are green. And that's it for today's lesson on possessive adjectives. Remember, they're essential for showing ownership or possession in English, and by using them correctly, you can make your sentences much clearer. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you put your new skills to use. Happy learning!